10 more positive cases reported in Yanam. So now total 35 cases in Yanam. But already first batch 12 cases recovered. They are discharging. All are fit and healthy. But today new cases all are the primary contact of already cases, ONGC cases, 4 persons, and 5 persons Apex company cases primary contact, and one came from Hyderabad. So this is the things. It means that cases are increasing, spreading also. So we should not take it light, and public should be very much aware. See, I so many times explained and requested also, don't go out from the house, you be at home, then only you will be safe. Best example, Tomedi Beta case, that person got positive, he distributed sweets in his neighbor's house. Definitely, who has distributed also created problem, and who has accepted also created problem. Now they are all neighbors are suffering, they also infected. So my humble request to public, don't do this such nonsense type things in now. You should be at home. No relative, no neighbors, no person should come out from home. No, don't invite any relative. That's all. You should be at your home only. Essential requirement and necessary work only you should go out. But still, I don't know what is the reason. Public is not at all bothering. Cases are increasing very speedily. Now 35 cases. Plus 3 more cases, that is Andhra cases, but infected here. Total actually 38, but belongs to Annam 35. So it's too much. But public should understand seriousness and consequences of this. Now symptomatic persons also there. So spreading through symptomatic is more chance. Another way, see, I repeatedly requested, so many persons are criticizing, spreading the rumors. I told already don't do. I requested also. Now I am going to file tomorrow 1 or 2 case. Because I told it is not a joke. Spreading and criticizing simply is not a joke. Don't do nonsense things. Just keep quiet. You should be your home. I requested for volunteers. No one came out. No single person reported to RA office, sir, I want to work as a volunteer. But doing nonsense, criticizing, they are everywhere. Such a nonsense things they are doing. I won't leave them now. And I am requesting to general public, please don't come out unnecessarily. You should be at your home. Then only you will be safe. Otherwise risk is everywhere. Don't know which person is positive, which person is negative. So please take care. Next Saturday or Friday we'll get the machine. Definitely it will be very useful for us, TrueNet machine. We will be able to test immediately within 1 hour or 2 hours. Then we will identify who is what. Now we are getting result after 4 days, 5 days. In between, positive person getting and spreading to others. Even though we are putting quarantine and everything, but public is not at all following protocol seriously. We are having proper system. Regarding system, I explain you. All teachers are in the field. We divided Yanam in 16 zones as per the medical setup. Every zone divided in 2 parts. Quarantine house, non-quarantine house. Quarantine house are very important, very sensitive. So I made 16 zonal team for quarantine house. One is a ministerial staff, another is a PC. They will monitor 24/7 this quarantine house with the help of the ASHA and ANM. Plus self-help group members of local area. Every 10 house, one self-help group member is there. So this setup is working for quarantine house. Our incident commander and nodal officer quarantine is monitoring them. Another non-quarantine house, all teachers are working. They are daily visiting the house. They are getting the information. They are making the awareness, giving instructions, and anything they are finding, they are reporting to us also. So these setups are working. So I am requesting to public, please cooperate them. And other than this, now tomorrow onwards, I issued the order, 8 doctors will work in the field. 2 John, 1 doctor will work. Permanently they will be in the field, and doctor's duty that he has to visit every house. He has to make the aware the public. Any symptomatic persons, any person is giving complaint to Asha ANM regarding health issue, he will treat there itself. So now no need to come anybody hospital. Doctor will visit your home, he will treat or she will treat. If any emergency, he will refer hospital or he will recommend for the testing if required. So this is the new things we are going to start tomorrow onwards. So all sub centers, doctor will be there, and regarding the city, doctor will sit in the hospital. So my request to public, cooperate with administration, because this is the very crucial time, very tough time. We are working for public only, so your cooperation is very very important. And instead of the doing politics, instead of doing nonsense things, please cooperate with us. This is good for everyone. Regarding the other issues, we are going to solve very soon, either sanitization issue or another issue. So that is not a big problem. But livelihood, definitely we should allow, because public is need that. So we are not going to seal the border completely. But situation will be out of control, then we will take decision accordingly. Now, my request, only necessary work you go out, otherwise you should be at home. Thank you.